Alright guys, it's finally time to add some speakers to Megatron. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. My name is Michael. I'm super glad to have you here. So guys, today we're going to take a look at Wharfedale's 12.2 Diamond bookshelf speakers. So I've been in the market for a new set of speakers, actually for my first set of speakers, especially for Megatron, for a long time. I've just been using headphones, and sometimes I just want to watch a quick video and I don't want to put on headphones. So my original thought process was I was going to buy something cheap because I use headphones most of the time, like maybe something off of Amazon, maybe even some Amazon basic speakers for like 30 bucks, or spend a little bit more and get some Logitech 5.1 surround sound speakers. But I finally decided, you know what, I'm just going to buy some bookshelf speakers, some hi-fi, more on the low end of hi-fi speakers because they can range anywhere from $500 to $5,000. But I listen to a lot of music. I listen to a lot of classical, orchestra music. I love a lot of strings. So I wanted to, get something that was going to complement my music style. And there's so many different bookshelf speakers out there to choose from. I did a lot of research, and I finally settled on these. I hope these match my musical preferences really well. From everything that I've reviewed and read, I think they will. I'm really excited about these. I did get these off of Crutchfield for $5.99. About 8 months ago, I think they were $4.99. But due to inflation being up so much in this past year, everything went up across the board. I also have a Cambridge, I want to say it's an AX100 amplifier coming to power these. I might have gotten the model number wrong, but I will go ahead and do an unboxing of that in the future. Hopefully those two, these speakers and that amplifier, they complement each other really well. Again, there's been a lot of great reviews on both items. So let's get to unboxing these. I'm really excited to see these, see what they look like. So let me get this box down on the floor. Let me readjust the camera, and let's get to it. All right, guys, here we go. This is definitely where I wish I had somebody behind the camera. All right. I think these weigh like 18 pounds a piece. They got a little bit of weight to them. Well, actually, the box is 43 pounds, so a little bit more. All right. All right. Little feet. You got your manual. At least they're packaged really well. Thank goodness, because sometimes UPS guy just likes to toss stuff. All right. And here they are. Ooh, and they do got a little bit of weight to them. Slide this one right down here. All right. Get this one up. Let me get this box up out of the way. Wasn't much to that. All right, let me get them back up on the table and let's unwrap them. All right, guys, I hope that gave you a better look at them. I really like them. I think they're very sleek. Again, solid construction. I think they're very sexy looking. I like the design of the woofer. I just think it looks great. I would love to be able to leave these on my desk with the grill covers off, but unfortunately, that would just entice my kids to poke holes in them. And, at $600, I'll try to avoid that. So, lots of speakers in the market around this price range. I really like the Polk, the LSI M703s, I believe they are. Let me look here. Those were my, if I wasn't going to get these, I was going to get those. The LSI 703Ms. Those are really, really nice bookshelf speakers. I've heard those and I really, really like them. But there's so many out there. You know, you have Polk, you have Bowers and Wilkins. Even Klipsch makes a really good speaker. Um, really, really nice. Let me give you some of the specs on these. So they got 6.5 inch woofers. They're polypropylene and mica. The frequency response on these is between 50 and 20,000 hertz. They're 8 ohms. Power anywhere between 20 and 120 watts. Now the Cambridge amp that I have, it's a 2-channel amp, 100 watts a piece. Should be more than enough power to power these bad boys. The bass response, from what I read, is super clean. It's not overpowering. The mids are really, really good. So once I get these all set up, I'm probably going to listen to them for 2 or 3 weeks. There is a break-in period, and then I'll get back to you guys. I'll do a review. I'll let you know how they're working out for me and my music style. Now, picking out speakers is a very difficult thing because every individual, everybody has a different preference of what type of style of music they like to listen to. So these might work for me, but then might not work for you. So hopefully they meet my expectations. Pretty expensive for desktop speakers, but you know, go big or go home. So, but guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit that like button and please feel free to share this on all your social media. Share it with the world. Trying to grow the channel, so I would appreciate that as well. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay healthy. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.